Best Venmo features for small business owners. Do you feel like you're leaving money on the table by not offering the payment method your younger, tech-savvy customers prefer? That was me not long ago. I was using my personal Venmo account and hoping the IRS wouldn't notice, which, spoiler alert, is a bad strategy. Switching to a Venmo business profile changed my payment process and, honestly, my visibility. The business profile, separation, and simplicity. The first and most crucial feature is the dedicated business profile. It's linked to your personal Venmo account, but it's completely separate. From my perspective, this solved the biggest headache: tax and transaction tracking. All payments received for goods and services go right into this distinct business bucket. This keeps my personal and business finances clean and makes tax season a lot simpler, as Venmo provides the formal tax documentation I need. Plus, I love the Easy Switch feature. I can flip between my personal and business profiles with just a tap in the app, which is super convenient when I'm quickly checking funds or making a personal payment. QR codes and tap to pay, effortless transactions. For in-person sales, like at pop-ups or market stalls, the unique Venmo QR code is a game changer. I display my code, customers scan it with their Venmo app, and boom, payment done. It's faster than fumbling with cash or cards. And if a customer doesn't even have Venmo, the tap to pay feature is fantastic. I can accept contactless card payments or digital wallets right through the app on my phone. No need for extra card reader hardware. It's all about meeting the customer where they are and making the transaction as frictionless as possible. The social feed, free word-of-mouth marketing. This is the hidden gem. The social visibility of the business profile is essentially free marketing. When a customer pays my business on Venmo, they can choose to share that purchase on their friend's Venmo feed. Suddenly, my business name, profile picture, and link are seen by their network of friends. It's organic, digital word of mouth, and it drives organic discovery. I've definitely had new customers tell me they found me because one of their friends paid me on Venmo. It's an effortless way to build brand awareness with very little effort from me. Funds, access, and fees. Let's be direct about the money side. The fees are low compared to some other processors, generally 1.9% plus 10 cents per transaction for digital payments to the business profile. You also have options for getting your money. A standard transfer to your linked bank account is free but takes 1 to 3 business days. If you need the cash immediately, the instant transfer is there for a small fee. I usually opt for the free standard transfer, but knowing the instant option is there for a cash flow crunch is reassuring. The fact that Venmo is so widely used, especially by younger demographics, makes the small transaction fee a worthwhile cost for accessing a massive customer base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.